Hello guys, my name is Sakshi Pulli. Currently I am in first year pursuing a BA degree from one of the best college in Mumbai, which is Ram Narayan Ruia Autonomous College. So let me take you to the event which was held by our history department from last few years with immense enthusiasm and unique theme every year. The theme of the Mudra event 2025 and 26 is Durgotsav, the saga of conflict and courage. It is the celebration of UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Maratha military landscape of Indian forts. Based on this theme, our TYBA students presented the exhibition of Maratha forts. After the inauguration ceremony, we proceeded to witness the thrilling Mardani Khel, which is organized by the Mardani Akhada. We proceed with the event Rajya Rakshak, which is similar to the Shark Tank.
कोली कम्युनिटी को एम्प्लॉयमेंट मिलेगा तो 500 से ज्यादा और इनडायरेक्टली देखा जाए तो मिला जुला के 1500 से ज्यादा हो जाएगा.
The Padmadar Fort, also known as the Kasa Fort or the Kansa Fort, it is situated in the Rajapuri village in the Raigad district of Maharashtra, built in the year 1676 by the great Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Tourism too, and it's easier to go there.
Are you sure on this? Because 2 years ago I had gone and it was very easy. Like there are boats.
बट हम उसको कैसे कंजर्व कर सकते हैं जो वहाँ पे कुछ स्ट्रक्चर जैसा नहीं है लेकिन स्ट्रक्चर से भी कुछ ज्यादा होता है जो इतिहास बोलता है जिसको हम कंजर्व करने की बात कर रहे हैं.
Durganyan, which is similar to the quiz game.
Which fort did Shivaji Maharaj build after capturing the Jauri Valley? Which narrow pass was later called Pavankhin? Who was the architect of Sindhudurg Fort?
Shivakala Darpan, where there is a team of two and together they have to draw a damaged part of Maratha fort. Even though we were exhausted at the end of the day, but we were still enjoying some bangers. असा होता आमचा पहिला दिवस मुद्रा 25-26 ended with some good photos and memories. Let's move to our day 2 of the Mudra. Day 2 चा पहिला इव्हेंट जो मी शूट केला तो होता फत्ते शिकस्त, which is similar to the business game. Our next event was
Shaurya Shringar Adi Swarajya,
where tradition meets confidence
and personality makes power.
The event featured a ramp walk in a traditional attire followed by the personality question round. Then our cultural team performed a recreation of iconic scenes from Shivaji Maharaj life.
मत करू पण अपमान नाही. राजा जी आप खिल्लत तो देखिए।
खिल्लत
आणि दुसऱ्या दिवसाचा शेवट सुंदर व एनर्जेटिक अशा नृत्य सादरीकरणांनी झाला.
शक्ती ते वैष्णवी महेश्वरी अंश राहू दे सदैव माझ्या अंतरी. सच के सिपाही अलबेले रहेंगे आजाद थे हो तुम. जब तुम नहीं थे हम कब यही थे, हम भी थे जैसे.
Our batch was the first batch ज्यांनी फॅशन शो हा सुरू केलेला.
मला माहिती आहे की हे खूप डिफिकल्ट आहे हे करणं आणि हे लोक इतकं कमाल एवढ्या यंग एज मध्ये करतायत. सो इट्स नॉट इझी आणि मला असं वाटतं की जजिंग पण इझी नाही आहे. माझं फर्स्ट टाइमच होतं.
नमो पार्वती पते.
Because of this incredible team effort, we successfully organized 12 amazing events. And I got to realize that every successful event stands a dedicated team whose hard work and commitment make it possible. That's the end of the season, Mudra 25-26. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, do like, subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. Also follow me on my Insta page, Pulli Sakshi Lifebook 1907.